Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for your list like this here. And all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Globoplay app. Then here you just click on search, then here add Glo Globoplay app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. Then here you search for Globoplay app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here on update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.